Synapses. Learning points. Define what a synapse is and its function. Name each feature of a synapse. Explain how information is transmitted between nerve cells. What is a synapse? The junction between two nerve cells, where neurotransmitters diffuse across to transmit information from one nerve cell to the next. Step 1. The presynaptic nerve cell receives an impulse. The synapse exists between the presynaptic and postsynaptic nerve cells. Step 2. Vesicles start to move and fuse with the presynaptic membrane. Neurotransmitters are released into the synaptic cleft. Vesicles store neurotransmitters. Step 3. Neurotransmitters diffuse across the synaptic cleft. The neurotransmitters move down a concentration gradient. Neurotransmitters are chemicals which carry signals between nerve cells. Step 4. Neurotransmitters attach to receptors on the postsynaptic membrane. Step 5. The impulse travels across the postsynaptic nerve cell. An impulse is triggered. Step 6. Neurotransmitters are recycled or destroyed when an impulse is triggered.
Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more future educational videos.